guys, you bought a seat. Grab your fast pass. I'm warning you, okay? Time is money. Do not wait in line. If you wait in line, do not blame me or my people. Grab the fast pass. 35,000 people are showing up in Miami. Imagine 35,000 people showing up in any arena, anywhere in the world, and have to wait for your seat. You will stand in line. You will wait, not 10 minutes, not 20 minutes. You will wait for hours. And I don't want that to happen to you. We're gonna start our event Friday morning at 9 a.m. sharp. I don't care who's in the stadium. Be there, be in the event. That means you need to go back, pick your seat, grab a fast pass. Yes, there's a charge for the fast pass, and there's also a charge for waiting in line. Don't do that to yourself. 10xgrowthcon.com. Where do they go, Jared?
10xgrowthcon.com/seats.
10xgrowthcon.com/seat. Create an account. If you didn't, go back and look in your junk folder. If you didn't, if you haven't grabbed your seat, grab your seat. Don't wait in line. Do not do this to yourself. This is going to be the largest conference in the history of the world. I'm pleading with you. Grab your seat. Get your fast pass. I can't wait to see you. It's going to be a blast. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The last thing I want you doing is having to wait in line for more than something to eat, man. I don't mind waiting in line for something to eat, but god dang, you don't want to wait in line to get in the building. Fast pass, get yours now, okay? Better to pay a little and not wait than to pay a little bit and wait. Don't wait, don't wait, don't wait. I say don't wait, don't wait. You've been waiting your whole life to blow up and grow up, man. Let's get big, let's get fast. Let's get big, let's get big, let's get big as you want to be. But you can't get big if you're waiting in line. Fast pass.